Come on down, it's time to begin. Time to make a sandwich for two naked men.
Hello, welcome to Two Naked Pirates Making a Sandwich. Today we'll be making the salty dog.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? What are you doing here?
I thought this was Two Naked Pirates Making a Sandwich. Where's the other baseball player?
I am a pirate. I sail the seven seas, mate.
No, I'm a real pirate. Okay? I got 47 home runs last year, 201 RBIs, and I was Rookie of the Year in 2006. Why are you here? You're not a real pirate.
Yes, I am. What's that silly thing you have on your head?
This represents the city of brotherly love, something you know nothing about.
Brotherly love? I've spent 6 months on a pirate ship, mate. That's an occupational hazard.
Wow.
Alright, we're in this together, mate. Let's get to it. The salty dog is made with a delightful bun, hot dog, mustard, ketchup, and a bit of relish. Lastly, sea salt.
First thing you want to do when assembling a ballpark, Frank, is cutting the bun open.
I'll take that.
Nice job, Edward Scissorfingers. Thank you. Okay, nextly, you want to take the hot dog, put it in the bun. We went ahead and already boiled our hot dog, so just take it, put it in the bun, put a little relish on there, put a little ketchup, a little mustard, and just a pinch of salt. There you go.
A pinch is what you do with the ladies.
What are you doing? You just ruined a perfectly good hot dog. Remember, it's what's on the inside that counts.
That was the show, but it had to end. We just made a sandwich for two naked men.